Well, everybody, I'm down at Bridge, down in Exeter, and my bike, my V-Strom is being serviced, so I thought I'd blag a test ride, and this is what we have: the Honda Goldwing 1.8 flat
6
monster, and this one's got the DCT on it, so it's even more luxurious. So I thought we'd give this a go and see how it feels. It's a 24 plate. Look at the size of this thing. It's absolutely massive. It's huge. And it weighs a ton. Just pushing it from there to there felt like a tank. So let's get some gloves on and see what this thing feels like.
Tom Stacey.
Sort of have to get on it. Like you, there we go. It comes off a side stand nice and easy. Got the key in the pocket, it's keyless ignition, of course there's no clutch, which is really odd. Got it in tour mode at the moment. I think I'll leave it in tour mode, we won't fiddle around with that too much. So we need to put it in drive, there we go. It's on the radio at the moment, so how do we change? No, I'll just leave it like that, I think. There we go, let it pulls already. So let's go for a little ride. There's no clutch! Oh, this is weird. Well, first of all, I think that it's actually a little bit... I feel like my knees are going to hit the handlebars when they're up, when I'm turning. Yeah, look at that. Even the... Well, where's the indicator? There. Honda indicator in the wrong place. Wow, this feels huge. Looking for the indicator again, no clutch. It's so odd. You just drive. I do feel like a bit odd. Like my knees are... Look at that. I mean, it's comfortable. I mean, I feel like I'm sitting on an armchair. Well, that's quite strange because you've got the telelever front end. You can see the shocks, the thing coming up through, which is quite weird. So this is, you know, this is a 1.8. So
6
the flat,
6.
so the piston's going that way, which gives a quite unique feeling to the engine. I can hear it changing down gears, that's strange. I mean, overall I'm comfortable, my bum is really comfortable. Oh, we've got auto start as well, which is weird. How do we turn that off? There we go, press that again and turns it off. Heated grips, heated seat, every single button, everywhere. Let's go, concentrate what you're doing. Oh, it's so smooth! Turn the screen up. There you go, look, automatic electric screen. Oh look, I am now sitting in a bubble of nothing. That's strange. No wind at all. Let's go this way, because I kind of know this way. Oh, it's a lovely ride. I mean, God. La 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 la. Through the corner nicely. I feel like I'm not got any issues there. Oh, it's like oodles of torque. Absolutely oodles of it. I feel incredibly protected. I don't feel like I need to go very fast. I mean, yeah, I mean, you could sit on this all day long, couldn't you really? Don't crash. Concentrate on what you're doing, stop looking at the dash. I mean, you've got your speedo on the side, which is just an analog speedo, which I really like. And then you've got your revs on the right. Do you need your revs if you've got DCT? I don't know. You've got cruise control. I think this has got the adaptive cruise control as well. Might not have, I'm not 100% sure. You've obviously got all your phone connection. You can connect your phone up to it and all that jazz. It's not like super fast, and you can definitely hear it changing down through gears, which is a unique experience. But I'm constantly looking for that. No clutch. I'm getting hot. It's supposed to be peeing down with rain today, and that hasn't happened yet. I'm sure it will later on this afternoon when I'm heading home. People say you can feel the weight disappear on these when you ride them. I'm not 100% sure on that one. I could definitely feel it. I'm not actually 100% sure how much this model is, so I'll put a little thing up to say how much it is. But I mean, and I go about on this in all my videos, I am 6'6" with a 34-inch inside leg, and I am comfortable on this. But when trying to do some slow turning, the handlebar was actually getting in the way of my knee and my thigh here, because you're sort of I mean, if you look, my elbows, I don't know if you're going to see it particularly well, just one camera, my elbows are completely bent at a 90-degree angle. The handlebars are here. I don't have a lot of movement there. So in tour mode, I wonder if we oh, sport. Wow, that's different. Yeah, I can feel that now. Sport mode is good. It obviously sort of it makes the revs higher before it changes gear, but you can really feel that. I don't want to go too mad on this, but I'm riding along with what am I doing? 50 miles an hour, visors up, straight over my head. I can see why this is a favourite touring bike for a lot of people, and I can imagine 2 up, it feels amazing. But it defeats the objects in bikes, doesn't it? You can't, well, you probably could filter. I do feel like it wants to go a bit wide. That would just be the getting used to the characteristics of the bike. That engine is amazing. They need to, I know that they have put in other bikes before and not been particularly successful, but they could do a lot with this. Woohoo! That's not bad actually. That engine, woo. Oh, it's got a lovely note to it. I was ready to write that off. That pulls hard. That is a torquey monster, that is. What a beaut. Sounds beautiful. Oh, we got the petrol light on. Got 39 miles. We've lost about 20 miles in about 2 miles. Just down there. It's super comfy. I do feel a bit restricted, like I can't move my legs any further out, and I've still got a bit of an angle. Got an angle down here, look, my legs are still pointing backwards, so I would expect them to be completely nice 90 degrees on a bike like this. Yeah, that's a great engine. Why don't they do that in more models? Do it in a big naked street bike, that'd be awesome. Oh, That was a bit annoying. Just flick the light on. You can feel it really change down a gear, which is cool. I like that. You obviously have buttons that you can go up and down manually if you want to. I mean, obviously the Goldwing's been around for a very, very long time. You know, it started off as quite a small sort of sports tourer back in the 70s, I think, and now we have this monster. I'm not sure it's me. I do like it. God, if I had however much these cost to buy, and I had room in the garage, I think I'd consider one. Oh God, it's really weird not having a clutch. But we're now on the A30, which is prime sort of road for one of these things. Ah, it does feel nice. I wonder if I change the mode to, so we've got economy, rain, tour. We'll put it back in tour, because we're touring down the A30 back to Bridge Motorcycles. I don't think there's any denying that this is a very refined motorcycle. And if this is what you want to tour on, you know, like a big comfortable monster of a bike and you're under 6'6", this is probably good for you. Or if you've got short legs, you could be 6'6" but have really short legs. I think to get a proper test on one of these things, you'd need to do a good proper tour on it, wouldn't you? But although my bum is already starting to feel a bit weird. And my legs are uncomfortable because they're cramped. I've now moved them forward, and imagine you can get some plates or something out here. It's incredibly low. You're not looking out over things, you're just in the bike. And it's boiling hot now as well, and I haven't got my dark visor. Of course, it's supposed to be raining all day. Come completely prepared, waterproof and everything, and no rain. But I suppose it's better safe than sorry, although the weather over there looks, clouds over there look a little bit menacing. I do like this DCT, this is pretty cool. Or is it really a motorbike if you don't need to fanny around with a clutch and all that sort of stuff? Well, of course it is, it's still a motorbike, but is it my thing? I'm not sure. Definitely helps if you've got like an injured left hand, and or even a left, you know, your left foot's a bit dodgy, or if you just want to be lazy, which is perfectly fine as well. It's your bike, it's up to you what you do with it. Should have brought my summer gloves with me because my hands are really hot. I'm not actually sure what the horsepower is on this or the torque, so forgive me for being completely out of touch with it, but I wasn't expecting to take this one out. It was just a bit of a whim. Oh, that looks cool. Can I tie it down? Of course you can. Thanks very much. This is nice. You could do, I mean, I could see why people do this all day. As I said, the only thing that would really aggravate me is the fact my legs are kind of on, I'm on the balls of my feet, and then if I'm not on the balls of my feet, my knees are in there, which is frustrating because If you're spending that much money on the bike, you'd hope that that would be not there. And it's only a bit of fairing. So quiet here. I could almost feel like I'm sitting in a car with the windows down. Actually, it's even quieter than a car with the windows down, because you don't get any buffeting. There's a little bit on my shoulders, but otherwise, it's dead quiet. It's like a bubble of quietness. And also my back is right up against this butt at the back, which is annoying. I haven't got a lot of room to move around if I feel like my ass is dying. Definitely not for me, but I can see why people like this. No clutch. You know, it's doing lots of things. It's doing everything for me. But I mean, look, my feet are completely flat on the floor. Obviously the bike is incredibly low and my knees are bent. I think I'm going the right way. No, I've got to go right. Right, let's check. It's a lump. I feel like you have to think a bit about stuff first before you do stuff. Considering how big this bike is, once you're used to it, yeah, it feels alright. I feel like a bit of Mickey take, but it's got no petrol in it, but I'm not going to put any more in. Show a bit more music. Time you down, oh baby. Oh baby. Alright, we'll get rid of that again. Put it in screen. I suppose I do like that. I mean, that'd be awesome if I had that on the V-Strom. Look at that. Would you like a window up, sir? Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Doesn't need sound effects, Tom. Anyway, I think I'm going to end that one here. What a great overall bike. I mean, I can see why people like this. Not for me, but there we go. The DCT is amazing. I really enjoyed that. Overall, yeah, if you've got the money and you want to be in super comfort, I don't see why you wouldn't get one. What time is it? Oh, it's only 10 o'clock. Is my bike still outside? It's still outside. That is frustrating. So yeah, overall great bike. If this is your first time watching the channel, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. All helps. I hope you enjoyed my little ramblings on this thing. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you very much. Goodbye. I think this is the way. This is the way to Amarillo. No, it's not. It's off the Bridge Motorcycles, where they're servicing my V-Strom and making me wait all day. Hey, hey. Never mind, I'm gonna ride motorcycles. Is it because it's on headset? There we go.
Disability Collective really look after their customers.
Woo!
Stagecoach.
Let's go!
Back for less with Route 5. Plan your next journey with the Stagecoach app.
I've got to be careful, just in case we get any
Maps Mystery Year.
Woo! And everyone's listening to my music, having a great time. DJ time on the Goldwing. Anyway, that's enough of that, because otherwise I'm going to get a royalty.